If you are interested in a particular Ansell product and want to get its permeation test data, then you can use the Chemical Product Test Data module. You must be registered to access this application. To access, click on the Chemical Product Test Data tile, and you can click on the name Chemical Product Test Data or the arrow in order to access. Now you will be presented with this screen. You can start by entering the report name, and you can do that to a maximum length of 50 characters. And if you desire to include the product name as your report name, just click this checkbox. You can also enter an organization name. You could enter up to 100 characters. Organization name and report name are both required fields, as you can see by the asterisk. If you desire, you have an option to upload the logo of your organization and enter recipient information. To upload a logo, just choose your file from your desktop, and you can see the 3 different formats that are supported, as well as the maximum size. It cannot exceed 1 megabyte. And now I'll enter the recipient information. I can enter up to 100 characters, and you also have an option to include personal data. This includes your personal information such as name, office details, and personal number. Next, you can select product. You can select either hand protection or body protection. I'm going to leave it on hand protection for now. And if you know the name of your product that you're looking for, you can enter the product name in the search field. Otherwise, click on the View Product Catalog. And you can easily scroll page by page to see the next product, so you can go next or you can go last, and then you could also use these arrows. You also have an option to filter based on material as well as brand. So if I filter on neoprene, I'm going to be presented with only those products that have neoprene as the material. Now you just need to select one of them and click on Add Product. I'll select this one, and I'm going to select Add Product. And when I do that, I can now generate my report. If for any reason I didn't mean to select this product, I could just click on the X over here, and it will bring me back to my search criteria. So I'm going to select Generate Report, and now you can see my report is being generated. Now, once completed, you'll notice it already downloaded my report here, and I have a PDF file here I can open. But it also brings me to the screen My Reports. And My Reports is where all your reports are going to show that you've run. And if you ever wanted to discard the report, you just hit the trash can here or the download button here if you wanted to download it again. Since I already have my download ready, I'm going to click on the PDF file right here. And now I can review my report. And now you can see my cover page. And the cover page has some of that information that I previously entered. Next, it's going to be followed by the disclaimer. And then you will have the legend for hand protection, so this way it'll help you to understand the report. And then you're going to get the permeation data for both ASTM F739 and EN ISO 374 for the selected glove. Next, let's generate a similar report for one of Ansell's body protection suits. To do this, I can go to the hamburger menu, and I could select Chemical Product Test Data. And then I'm brought back into this screen, and I could re-enter my report name, my organization name, everything that I just showed you previously. So I'm going to quickly do that. And this time I'm going to select Body Protection. And if I know the product name, I could search for it, or I could view the product catalog. But in this case, I do know the product name, and it's really the Alpha Tech 3000. So I'm going to select the Alpha Tech 3000 product group, and now I can see all the different models within that product group. The reason that we show all the models is because they use the same materials, and we are testing the materials for body protection. So now let's generate the report. So now I can see my report has been downloaded, and I'm going to open it. And this is your body protection report. Same information, cover page, disclaimer. You'll have your body protection legend. And then the one key thing to understand is that the body protection report contains permeation breakthrough times measured at a rate of 1 micrograms per centimeter squared per minute, which is breakthrough times BT 1.0, and at a rate of 0.1 micrograms per centimeter squared per minute, which is breakthrough times BT 0.1. In addition, cumulative permeation data are also provided. And you can see that the body protection report is showing all the different products and the information that are in that product family. So this is for all the different models. The one thing, if you ever wanted to go back and have access to any of these chemical test data reports, you can easily do that by going up to here by your name, select the drop down, and access My Reports. And this will be available to you in order to manage your reports by re-downloading them, or you can even eliminate the reports by getting rid of them and deleting them right here. I hope you enjoyed this video of how to use the Chemical Product Test Data module of AnsellGuardian Chemical.